Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So as usual, starting off with Euro USD, and you can see Friday was pretty much not just Friday, but the latter part of last week was all about consolidation, but also looking a bit like barbed wire, tails to the upside, tails to downside. Now this massive pin bar and these tails over here off a moving average, and you can see there that's a 33 moving average, sorry, 66 moving average, so it's 66 EMA, and you can see that is an indication that we could potentially be looking for some form of support to start moving back the upside, but we are still below the moving average, 155 moving average. So for me, the jury is still out whether the trend is changing or not. Now if we come down to the 1 hour, you'll see we are clearly in a range at the moment, and there is a range. Top of the range is at 119.132, bottom of the range is at 118.637. So at the moment, nothing worth trading here until we break one of these levels and retest it. Then we'll, if it's to the downside, then obviously we're looking for 118.637 to break and retest, and we're looking for shorts. Otherwise we're looking for this to break to the upside, 119.132, come back and test it, then we're looking for longs. So I'm sitting on the sidelines for the short term at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen. So trend is clearly to the upside. What's looking like a flag. Okay, and if I just do that, you can see that's my consolidation flag. So for me, it's pretty much the same scenario here. I've got two levels here we need to pay attention to. If you look at that on the hour, so first one to the downside is obviously 109.306, looking to break through that. Then there's more downside coming. Looking at the hour at the moment, we are sort of in a downside pattern, so all the moving averages are pointing to more downside. And this level up here at 109.857, you can see how we've defended it fairly strongly, even on Friday as well. That is the line in the sand that needs to break the upside. So 109.857 needs to break up, retest that, and move the upside. That's going to give us opportunity to look for longs. Otherwise, we're looking down here and we're looking for shorts if we can get through last week Thursday's lows. So that's kind of a bit of structure that's forming, inverse head and shoulder forming here, but it could also just be there's all the crossovers of the moving average. It could be testing of those crossovers. We haven't tested the 155 yet. There it is there. So yeah, I think it can go either way at the moment. And the other way that you can do this on the 15 minutes, watch the open to see if this area is defended, 109.574. If we start rejecting this area like is happening now, obviously we need to wait for the bar to finish, then it's stop above there and you're looking for a short on a break of the bar that's forming now. So that's what I would look for, and look for this area 109.306 as a first target. But 50-50, so higher time frames is looking like a flag break, potential flag set up for the upside. Lower time frames is looking like a trend reversal, so I'm also cautious there. British pound, Japanese yen, this is starting to look like a potential reversal, but again we've got a line in the sand here. My oscillators are indicating it's bottom of at the bottom, so with diversions you can see there's a low, it's a higher low, and look, the oscillators there, diversions. So that should mean we should be looking for opportunities to buy off this level, 149.977. It's starting to get into a range in my opinion, so ranger equals danger as far as I'm concerned, and not necessarily looking to sell this at the moment. Also not really wanting to buy either, so it's kind of, I'm looking for some structure. So this level, if this level gets defended, so it's 149.977, if we stay above it, I think there's good opportunity to buy into this. So engulfing and pin bar here, so there's a good structure that's setting up here for another move back into this 158.60 area. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for opportunity to buy, really tight stop, but looking to take profit here. And for as long as we're below the moving averages on the hour, to me this trend is down, but on the higher time frames it's starting to look like a bigger range. So that's probably what we need to be trading. So just going to swing backwards and upwards and downwards inside the range. Lastly, a Euro British pound. So we had a massive move last week, and we kind of held it. You know, we've had a weekly close pretty much above 0.86 800. So 0.86 800. We've had a weekly close above that. Oscillators are grouped to the upside, so looking a little bit tired. I would want to see some kind of a pullback onto structure before continuing to buy into this. And you can see on our how messy it is. You know, big ups, big downs. So there's a big up, there's a big down, there's a big up. So for me right now, this is also sit on hands, but this area of 0.86 800 is very interesting to me. If we can maintain above that, then there's a good chance that we can look for something to the upside. Otherwise, what we're looking for is a bit of a deeper consolidation somewhere down to this area here, 0.86629, and look for opportunity to buy into that level there. Look at the divergence on the moving average here. You know, this on the hour is a very strong uptrend at the moment. So that's the way you want to be trading. Just wait for the pullback, wait for the structure, and then buy into it and continue riding this up. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.